Is it time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Apple. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 22nd of October, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of October 11th, 2024, our system has identified Apple as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.11. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 3.65%. This results in an average return of 0.46% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned in the upper part of a weak rising trend in the short term. This situation often presents an attractive selling opportunity for short-term traders as a reaction toward the lower part of the trend is expected. A breakout above the upper trend line at $236.71 would indicate a stronger upward movement. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 6.55% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 0.84% to positive 6.93%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it indicates a potential change of 30.33% over the next year, with a possible return between 6.69% and 30.79%. This equates to a projected price range of $251.64 to $308.48 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Apple features the headline, "Weaker Technical Forecast for Apple as Stock Downgraded to Buy Candidate." The price of Apple stock declined by approximately 0.262% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 22nd of October, 2024. It fell from $236.48 to $235.86. During the trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 1.54%, moving from a low of $232.61 to a high of $236.19. Notably, the price has increased in 6 out of the last 10 days and has seen an overall rise of 4.47% over the past 2 weeks. Interestingly, trading volume decreased on the last day alongside the stock price, which is typically a positive indicator as volume generally follows stock movements. On this day, the trading volume fell by 100,000 shares, with a total of 35 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $8.25 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the stock reached its highest price of $237.49, while the lowest price was $164.08. Currently, the price sits 0.69%, or $1.63, below the 52-week high of $237.49, which is also the all-time peak for the stock. Verizon's recent earnings report reveals a potential concern for Apple as the telecom giant noted a low upgrade rate for the iPhone 16. This suggests that sales fell short of expectations during the third quarter, which could lead to short-term volatility for Apple Inc. stock as analysts assess the demand for the latest iPhone amid competitive pressure. In another significant development, Disney has stopped allowing new signups for Hulu and Disney Plus through Apple's App Store. This marks a strategic shift that may impact Apple's revenue from App Store fees. The potential long-term implications could lead to increased scrutiny on Apple's App Store business model, potentially pressuring profit margins. On a brighter note, Apple's upcoming artificial intelligence initiative, branded as Apple Intelligence, is expected to be launched this October. However, mixed reactions may influence investor sentiment. The successful integration of artificial intelligence could enhance user engagement, possibly driving future revenue growth. Despite current fluctuations, the overall buzz around Apple Inc. remains strong, with the stock hovering near record highs. An increase in demand for iPhones could elevate Apple's market position, reinforcing its status as a leader in the technology industry. Finally, Qualcomm's announcement of its Snapdragon 8 Elite chip highlights the intensifying competition in the mobile space, challenging Apple to innovate further to maintain its competitive edge. Analyst ratings. On Monday, October 21, 2024, it was reported that Loop Capital Markets assigned a buy rating to AAPL along with a hold recommendation. On the same day, it was also reported that Jefferies provided AAPL with a hold rating, maintaining a hold action. On Tuesday, October 15, 2024, Morgan Stanley rated AAPL as overweight and recommended a hold. Just a day earlier, on Monday, October 14, 2024, JP Morgan also rated AAPL as overweight with a hold action. On Friday, October 11, 2024, Evercore ISI rated AAPL as outperform and suggested a hold. Analysts have assigned Apple stock a general neutral rating. They characterize the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio also as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Apple. Apple stock exhibits buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general buy signal is present, indicated by the short-term average being above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support may be found at $233.77 and $226.51. A decline below either of these levels could trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, known as MACD. However, some negative signals have also been generated, which may impact the near-term development. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Monday, October 21, 2024, and the stock has since declined by 0.262%. Continued downward movement is anticipated until a new bottom pivot has been established. On the last trading day, volume decreased along with the price, which diminishes overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. The stock experienced a golden star signal on Wednesday, September 18, 2024, in the short-term chart. A golden star signal occurs when the short-term moving average, the long-term moving average, and the price line converge in a unique combination. This rare occurrence is often followed by significant and sustained gains for the stock in question. Here are some additional signals you may find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence, a buy signal. Pivots, a sell signal, was noted 2 days ago. Bollinger, a buy signal, appeared 2 days ago. Short-term moving average, a buy signal, was identified 11 days ago. Long-term moving average, a sell signal, was recorded 13 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 24 days ago. Reviewing the 12-month chart reveals short moving average, a sell signal, was noted 13 days ago. Long-term moving average, a buy signal, emerged 120 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 108 days ago. To explore more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. Apple finds support from accumulated volume at $228.20. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when support is tested. Generally, the stock exhibits controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk associated with this stock is considered very low. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $3.58 between its high and low, representing a change of 1.54%. In the previous week, the stock experienced an average daily volatility of 1.18%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Apple, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. This PE ratio is relatively typical, often observed in companies with long histories or stable revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 31st of October, 2024. Analysts are estimating earnings of $1.55 per share. It's essential to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Apple. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Apple is at $236.48. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could serve as a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Apple encounters its first support level at $228.20. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Apple from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were carried out by Chris Kondo, who bought and sold 17,989 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 25.418. In total, insiders purchased 2,071,734 shares and sold 3,595,722 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $226.90, reflecting a decrease of 3.8%. This stock exhibits very low daily fluctuations, which translates to minimal risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal detected from a pivot top established 1 day ago. Is Apple stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current price may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for Apple stock to perform well in the near future. However, due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have adjusted our recommendation for this stock since the last evaluation, moving it from a strong buy to a buy candidate. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price appears to be overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 23rd of October, we anticipate that Apple will open lower by 97 cents, starting at $234.89. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not solely rely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.